Hello and welcome to another update video on Ethereum. Just a quick one because Ethereum is moving fast, so it makes sense to upload the video quickly. Yesterday, by the way, I covered the larger time frame quite extensively. In case you're interested, check it out. But yeah, here today, what's going on with Ethereum? It's following the plan. Earlier today, I already shared in one of the member updates that the price should ideally hold above 4,009. There was a small micro support area. Hold above 4,009, that was kind of the lowest it should go really to keep this upside momentum intact. The price bounced from this support area and is still following this white scenario that I shared in the previous video earlier today. Price action suggests we could indeed be in an internal third wave, and I've already adjusted support. But you know, what was the micro support area before? It was shared like just a couple of hours ago, I think, and 3 hours ago. And the price was consolidating here, and this was the zone. So you see price held support throughout the day, and there was a small bullish flag or bullish pennant that formed there above this micro support zone. And quick educational moment, whenever we have impulsive price action, it is typically the 50% retracement of the ongoing third wave that needs to hold to keep the upside momentum intact. And well, that was 4,009. And the price bounced from the 23.6 fib level, from this area between the 23.6 fib level and the 38.2 fib level. So if you want to get updates like these as well, feel free to check out our gold membership. You can also get access, by the way, to updates about gold and silver and a lot of additional updates. There was even a more up-to-date one now about Ethereum as well, so you get intraday updates as well. Now, looking at this, what does it mean? First of all, this support zone needs to be adjusted with the price now as it goes higher. Looks promising, looks great what's happening. Finally, we get some movement again, but the momentum that we see right now, it's all happening still within a broader range. Still within a broader range, and that means we're not in an impulsive structure to the upside. We are probably moving in a diagonal pattern. And the price action is also corrective. Like this move up from the Friday low is a three-wave move up. So the idea is that we're also moving up here in an A, B, C structure. Maybe this will form all of the third wave, but probably it's going to be the A wave of the third wave. Then we can get a B wave and a C wave. So that's the idea. That is still the idea. Nothing has changed. Good to see that the bulls are still there. And I have seen a lot of similar charts today in our member live session. I think we covered 30 to 40 coins, and we had a lot of 1-2 setups. The question is just, how much can we trust them? Like the likes of Ethereum, Solana, those charts look more trustworthy because we can identify the microstructures more clearly. XRP as well, maybe. There are many who look similar, but who haven't actually started to move. There are some that are starting. So yeah, we're quite a lot of setup. So you can, by the way, if you become a member, you can also watch that recording. But we use those member sessions, those Sunday sessions, to get a good idea of what is happening in the space. And whereas last weekend, it's really like a fear and greed index, you could say, because we get an idea of all the patterns, in the sector. And last weekend, there were really just sideways movement. And this weekend, we saw quite a lot of coins starting to move up already. Like one was Hyperliquid, but there are quite a few that are starting to move, and we obviously saw it here on Ethereum as well. So it's starting to look somewhat promising, but I think what is important is that we have not broken yet above this swing high from Friday the 10th. This would be the next objective, $4,400. We need to break above this level as well. Get above $4,400, and then once we can break above it, the door opens to a rally to round about 4,860. So yeah, that's the update on Ethereum. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, then yeah, check out our X channel as well. I'll leave a link for you guys in the comment section. Levels should now be clear, support and resistance, and maybe tomorrow we can also cover the larger time frame again. Maybe we will break out this week. It would be very interesting and be in line with the broader, still bullish structure. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.